Before you start uploading random videos on the YouTube, there is one thing you must get right. That is choosing the correct niche for your channel. A good niche makes your channel easier to grow and easier to maintain for a long time. But the wrong niche can drain your time, your motivation, and your consistency. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step guide that will help you choose the niche that fits your passion, your skill, and what people on YouTube are actually searching for. Stay with me till the end of this video. Let us start with passion, because YouTube is a long-term game. If you pick a niche that you don't enjoy, it will feel like a heavy work. To identify your passion, ask yourself these simple questions. The first one is, what topic can I talk about without getting bored? Or ask yourself, what do I enjoy? Is that learning or teaching? And also ask yourself, what do I do daily that feels natural to me? These questions reveal the subject that energizes you. When you choose a niche based on your passion, your videos have more personality, more excitement, and more authenticity. Viewers can feel that. For example, if you love explaining technology concepts, reviewing gadgets, or showing people how to fix devices, then a tech tutorial niche might be a good fit for your channel. Now let's talk about what you are actually good at. Passion gives you energy, but skill gives your channel value. So a strong YouTube niche is a mix of both. Here are the questions to ask for yourself. The first one is, what am I capable of explaining clearly? What knowledge do I already have? Or what problem can I solve for people? Viewers subscribe because your videos help them. Your videos teach them or solve problem for your viewers. But passion alone is not enough. People also need value. After combining passion and skill, the next step is to check whether people are actually searching for that topic or not. A good niche must have audience demand. Otherwise, even your best videos won't get views. Here is how to check the demand. Go to YouTube and type your niche idea in the search bar. If the video appears and have views, that niche is still alive. And then look at YouTube search suggestion. These suggestions show what people search most often. Thirdly, you are expected to check the Google trend. This tells you if interest in your niche is stable, if it is rising, or if it is declining. And also use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. They show keyword scores, competition levels, and search volume. If people search for your topic every month, then your niche is still strong. If nobody is searching for it, even your best content will not get discovered. Step 4 is narrow down the niche. Most beginners choose a niche that is too broad. They say, I want to do technology, or I want to do health, or I want to do travel. But broad niches can make your channel confusing, and viewers won't understand your main focus. Here are some examples for you. Under technology, you are expected to focus on smartphone tutorials. Or under health, you are expected to focus on weight loss for busy people. A focused niche is easier for viewers to understand and easier for the YouTube algorithm to categorize. When your niche is specific, then your channel becomes more discoverable and more memorable. Broad channel grows slow, but focused channel grows fast because people exactly know what they will get from your channel. Step 5 is make sure you can create 50 to 100 videos. So a strong niche must give you many video ideas. A strong niche must give you many video ideas. You should be able to create a content consistently without running out of topics. If you can't think of at least 50 video ideas, then the niche may be too small or too weak for long-term growth. So a sustainable niche has endless video idea possibilities. Step 6 is test your niche with 3 to 5 videos. Once you select your target niche, don't spend months thinking about it. Instead, create 3 to 5 videos immediately and upload them, and also observe how viewers react. Here you have to check the following 3 things. 1. Which video got the most clicks? 2. Which one got the most watch time? And which one got the most comments? Your audience will show you exactly what they prefer. Sometimes The video you expect to perform well might not perform, and the video you upload without expectation might take off. Testing help you adjust your niche direction based on the real data from the real viewers. And that is a complete guide on how to choose the perfect niche for your YouTube channel. If you want more tutorial about YouTube monetization, channel growth, and content strategy, please make sure you subscribe and turn on all notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.